Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful La Espaziale Lucca espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to go inside the machine, replace this completely clogged up with scale build up. So not bad. We had to replace this one. This one controls the water of the machine. What you see right there. We'll test that out later. We also had to replace a couple of fittings from the boiler itself since it was leaking and it was losing a little bit of pressure here and there. So we had to disassemble the entire thing. We took the entire boiler. We drained it and made sure that there was no scale buildup or anything inside of it. We descaled the brew boiler and also the steamer boiler as well. We made sure that the steamer over here was in a secure position and was not leaking too. And we also serviced the group head by cleaning it and replacing the gasket. So yeah, we did take quite some work on this machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using the steam and then the hot water. It's a little bit on the faster side, as I probably should have tampered a little bit harder and probably use a bit more coffee. Gonna stop it right here. We still were able to get good crema coming out of this machine. We're using our test coffee. Excellent shower flow coming out from the group head. Looking really good. Steam of this machine, extremely powerful, working excellent. No leaks or anything. Working amazing. And hot water, as you can see, works right there. Stops all the way. It works. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.